and he is assured that he will expedite that.
The Conference of Superintendents of Police and Commandants (SsP and CO) was held here at the police headquarters on Friday. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police Department, Preston Tinsong, in the presence of Director General of Police Idashisha Nongrang and senior police officials, attended the inaugural session of the conference. Some key decisions are expected to be taken to improve the overall functioning of the Home Police Department during the conference. Speaking to news reporters, Director General of Police DGP Meghalaya Idashisha Nongrang today expressed concern on the increasing percentage of crime against women and children.
When it comes to crime against women and children, 65% of our cases which end up in charge sheet, especially in 2023, were from cases of crime against women and children. Yes, crime against women and children is a rise. It's, in fact, if you look at it as a total percentage of the total crime in the state, last year it was 32% of the total crime in the state, which is a cause of concern.